Are you a business owner struggling to make enough sales and gain more customers? Do you have an idea or concept you want to share with your audience but don't know how to go about it? Worry no more. Creative Johnson and team help solve all these and many more user explainer videos. Explainer videos are exciting and innovative ways to promote your market, your business, ideas, and skills. Explainer videos are a great way to break down a process or idea in an easy to understand way. Explainer videos helps explain your product in seconds, increase conversion rates, help you rate better on Google, save on ads, build branding. They're the perfect pitch. Videos are more engaging. They have better ROI, work perfect for mobile. They have top recall rates. We offer customized animations, character animations, 2D animations, 3D animations, motion graphics, animated whiteboard explainer videos, kinetic typography, infographic, script writing, voiceover of any accent and gender of your choice, and lots more. Contact us now to get the best animated explainer videos for your business